everyone, welcome back to another video of how to beatbox, number 4. So in this video, after you watch it, you're going to sound like this. Whew. My mouth is a little bit dry. So all you have to do is just do. So for this one, you cannot do. You have to do. So boots, cats, and not boots and cats. So we're gonna do. And then once you get used to saying that fast, if you want to, you can pause the video while you practice. And then once you get used to saying, just take away the B. So we have. Just take away that B, and now you just have. So then you just do. But do it really fast. And here's the thing. You can do for longer durations or shorter durations. So you can do. Or you can do. So like this. But here's another thing. You can also do for longer or shorter durations. So you can do. So. Like that. And that's it for day 4, but for the first day, I made my video 1 minute, second day 2 minutes, third day 3 minutes, and fourth day, I'm trying to make it 4 minutes, but it's only been 2 minutes and 20 seconds, so stare at my medals for the rest of the video. I'm just going to be talking about these. I got this in 2018, and this is my, hold on, let me see if I can find the wording on this. Well, I know I got this when I was in 3rd place. This one's another 3rd place. This one's another 3rd place. 3rd place. 2nd place. 2nd place. And my favorite one, wait a second. This one is not 2nd place, this is 1st place. And this one is also 1st place. Wait. Yep, 1st place. Ooh. I also got stickers from 4 Ocean. Put them on a piece of paper and cut them out. I got this when I reached 2 pounds, and I got this when I reached 1 pound. But this says 1 pound, but I really took 2 pounds out of the ocean. So I just switched these, and I pretended this I got when I was at 1 pound. Wait, I'm confused. Oh wait, it's been 4 minutes now. Well, see ya. I'll see you on day 5 of how to beatbox.